Hi guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Just Lovely Stuff. Just Lovely Stuff is all about the stuff I mostly enjoyed, like this video, arts and crafts. Before anything else and before I forgot, for those who didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell below for more of my videos. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my DIY BT21 mini notebook with bookmark. I'm so excited with this because this one was just an experimental and it came out to be just nice the way I want it to be. It's so cute and you're going to love it if you like DIYs and also the BTS. I do like BTS, but I'm going to be honest with you guys and girls. I cannot say that I'm an army because I'm not that updated with latest happenings with their career, and most of my BTS merchandise was sponsored by my cousin. She's an army and my influencer. Shout out to my cousin Marilyn. So enough for that. Let's move on with the tutorial. For this tutorial, you're going to need scissors, cutter, wood glue, clips, paintbrush, ruler, eraser, and pencil. You're also going to need folder, bond paper. I just print the layout of my notebook in that bond paper, construction paper, and also paper clips. Cut my desired size of paper that I will put on my notebook. It was easy because I don't have to do it manually. I have my printer, so I just print that layout out. Then I divide my stack of paper into two so that I can bind it easily. I just apply a small amount of glue there for it to be dried up easily. And after a few minutes, I just unclip them and put them together to apply some glue. In this one, I do it 3 times so that it won't come off easily. Then for my cover, I manually measure the height, width, and length of the stack of paper that I will put inside of it. Cut it out. Then crease it. This one is a tip. I use a small ball pen without an ink and a ruler to crease it so that we can easily fold it. Then, after that, we will glue the stack of paper with our cover. Lastly, the fun part, we will now transform this mini notebook into a BT21 character. This time it's Shooky. I use construction paper. By the way, I use paper clip to make that cute bookmark. Use some glue stick so that it will stick together easily. Finished product. I also make this chimney for other design. You can make your own design based on your favorite BT21 character. It's all up to you. For watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit notification bell below. See you soon!